Crack Defense. In this video, we are going to learn about some terminologies and formula related to profit and loss. So let's quickly begin. Coming to the first terminology, we have cost price, that is CP. So cost price stands for price at which the goods are purchased. Second terminology we have is a selling price, that is known as SP. So here it's a price at which goods are sold. Third terminology we have is profit or gain. So this is when article is sold at price greater than cost price of that article. So here mathematically we can write it as SP, that is selling price of that article, is greater than cost price of that article. Now let's come on to loss. So here article sold price will be less than cost price of that article. So mathematically again we can write it as SP is less than CP, that is selling price less than cost price. Now let's jump on to some formulas. We have gain. So gain we already know, where selling price is less than cost price. So for calculation we do SP minus CP. Next we have loss, where selling price is always here SP is greater than CP, and loss has CP greater than SP. So the formula becomes CP minus SP, where we have CP greater than SP. Now coming to gain percentage. So to calculate a percentage, we have gain, total gain, divided by CP, that is selling price, multiplied by 100. And we can write this as SP, that is selling price, minus CP, which makes it gain, and divide by CP into 100. As we know, gain is equal to SP minus CP. So this is gain percentage. Now coming to loss percentage. We have loss divided by CP multiplied by 100%. Or if we replace the value of loss, so it becomes CP minus SP upon CP multiplied by 100. As we know, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now let's jump on to some further formulas. So we have SP. SP here can be calculated by using gain and cost price. So if we reverse the given formulas previously, we can get the value of SP, that is 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100, and this whole thing is multiplied by CP. Similarly, if we talk about loss section, so SP would be, or selling price would be 100 minus loss percent divided by 100, and whole thing is multiplied by cost price. Now let's jump on to cost price calculation when gain and selling price is given. Here we'll have 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage. This whole thing is multiplied by selling price. Now if we have to calculate CP again, then loss has occurred, so it becomes 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent, and this whole thing is multiplied with selling price. Now let's take a simple example. It says Neeta buys an old cycle for 4,700 rupees and spends 800 on its repair. Now, if she sells the cycle at 5,800 rupees, then we have to calculate the gain percent. So, we already know, according to the formulas given, its gain percent equal to gain occurred upon CP multiplied by 100. So here we have CP equal to 4700 plus 800 spent on repair. So it becomes 5,500 rupees. That's the total cost price. Now we already know that gain here is SP minus CP, that is selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 5,800 minus cost price 5,500. This becomes 300. So let's substitute the values in the given formula, that is this one, and the formula becomes gain percentage equal to 300 upon 550, that is CP value, multiplied by 100. So it becomes 60 by 11 equal to 5 by 11 as a fraction percent. Thank you.